Trying to extract a multi-part RAR archive and discovered REV recovery files alongside the volumes. These can save your day when archive parts go missing or get corrupted. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll explain how WinRAR recovery volume sets work and how to use them. Our ultimate goal is to simplify the process by leveraging the advanced capabilities of one REV file inspection software that works reliably across numerous file types. Users encounter REV files alongside multi-part RAR archives, R00, R01, etc. Their primary intent is to repair a corrupted or incomplete download. These files contain recovery data, parity information, that WinRAR can use to reconstruct missing pieces of the main archive, ensuring the user can successfully extract their content. The REV file is a binary data container holding Reed-Solomon error correction codes. This design allows for the reconstruction of entire missing files within a volume set, not just bit-level corruption. It was created to add robustness to file distribution over unreliable networks where packet loss could corrupt parts of a large archive. win.rar, engineered by win.rar GmbH, is the application of choice for REV. The file must be mounted or accessed using specialized file system emulation software. Windows typically cannot interpret these files directly, so reading them requires associated backup software. The very first step is to check which program successfully reads the file's header. Right-click the REV file and click Open With. Test WinRAR if present. If it is unavailable, select another program. We need to check every option. If your REV file isn't cooperating, don't worry, you're dealing with a truly tricky REV file. We must now test the most common points of failure. Let's see exactly where the error is originating. First, extracting with WinRAR. Place all RAR volumes and REV files in the same folder, then double-click any RAR file to open in WinRAR. The application automatically detects available REV files and uses them to replace any missing or corrupted RAR volumes during extraction. The process is transparent, requiring no special user action when REV files exist. Next, manual recovery. If WinRAR reports archive errors, use tools, then repair archive selecting the broken RAR file. WinRAR uses available REV files to reconstruct missing volumes, saving repaired files to a fixed .rar prefix. The recovered archive then extracts normally, even if multiple original volumes were damaged or lost during transmission. Finally, creating REV files. When creating new RAR archives in WinRAR, use advanced, then recovery volumes, and specify the number or percentage of REV files to generate. More REV files provide protection against more simultaneous volume losses at the cost of additional storage. Recommended for important archives transferred over unreliable networks or stored on aging media. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. You may find success with a solution built on independent file logic that aims to read the file header at the byte level to identify the format, regardless of its current label. At this stage, your most reliable recourse is a comprehensive solution like FileMagick. It's built to bypass the limitations of basic tools, available at filemagick.com. If you found the instructions clear, please like the video and subscribe for new content every week.